Welcome back everyone to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to open a locker. First thing first, turn the dial clockwise to the right 3 full turns. This clears any previous numbers and resets the internal mechanism. Now, think of this as a pattern, right, left, right. Turn right clockwise and stop at the first number. For example, stop at 35. Now turn left counterclockwise, pass in your first number and stop at the second number. For example, pass 35 once, then stop at 9. Now turn right again directly to the third number. For example, stop at 17. Gently pull down the lock body or pull the locker handle. If the combination was entered correctly, it should pop open. If it's not opening, clear the lock again, double check the combo. Did you pass the first number on the second turn and apply gentle pressure on the locker door if it's stuck? And when you're done using your locker, close the lock and spin the dial a few times to the right to scramble the combination. This step is important. If you don't spin it, the lock might still be in the open position. Just a final tip, practice makes perfect. Try it a few times so your hands get used to the motion, and if you mess up, don't worry, just start over by clearing the lock with 3 spins. Keep your combo in a safe place, don't share it with others unless you trust them. And you've got this. Once you've done it a couple times, opening your locker will be as easy as trying your shoes. And that's it guys. As simple as that. Please be sure to like and subscribe if this tutorial helped you. Thank you for watching and I will see you on the next video.